Hello, do you have a fear of losing control when driving a car? To some people, that sign there, which means I can go to 60 miles an hour on this road in a car, will be terrifying for some people because they've just got this fear of losing control. What if the car swerves off the road? What if they can't stop? What if the brakes fail? These are all common issues that I help people overcome when I work with them to overcome their driving anxiety. And the main thing you need to understand is that a fear of losing control when driving has nothing to do with losing control when driving. Okay, it's nothing to do with it. And you've probably tried going out in a car with a friend or a partner or a relative, and you just drive and they say, look, it's fine, you're okay. And you might have talked to people about this, and they can't understand why you've got the problem. They say, well, you're not going to lose control. Well, those people don't get it because they're not a trained therapist like I am. But I understand where this problem comes from. And it's nothing to do with actually losing control. What's going on is when you have this fear of losing control, it's something else that's happening inside your subconscious mind. Your mind is linking driving with something else which it associates with the fear of losing control. And you won't be able to find this just thinking about it or just by talking about it with your conscious mind. If you sit down with a friend and just talk about things and they say, well, are you scared of this, you're scared of that, you're scared of that, and you might say, no, it's not that. You won't find the cause of the problem just by talking about it. And here's the thing, I often talk about finding the root cause of the problem, but you actually don't need to. Now, that can sound a bit confusing, but yes, you can fix the fear of losing control when driving without ever knowing what was causing it. Exactly how that works is something that I just can't explain in anything less than a few hours, so I won't go over that now. But what you need to do is to understand it's nothing to do with driving. You can drive all you want. You can learn about the mechanics of a car and how it works and how the steering is very unlikely to fail and why the brakes are unlikely to fail, but none of that will help. And some of you now are probably nodding thinking, yeah, I've done that, I've tried that, didn't work. It's because it's nothing to do with driving. So what is it to do with? Well, unfortunately, it could be anything. It could be absolutely anything at all that is causing the problem. And the only way you can get rid of it is to go into your subconscious mind, which is not as scary as you might sound. It's nothing weird. Okay, when we do these sessions that I do with people, there's no weird rituals or chanting or soft music. Don't do any of that stuff, it's unnecessary. I now work at an advanced level. I'm now an advanced hypnotherapist, so I've gone up a level since I used to make some of my other videos. And believe me when I say that you don't have to do any of that stuff to get rid of the problem. I've had clients now that I've worked with, and just by talking to them for an hour or so, the problem's gone. So what's the difference with talking to me and talking to a friend? Well, you see, I'm not talking to you. I'm talking to the other you, the subconscious you, the unconscious you. So yeah, I'm actually talking to a different version of you when I talk. Sounds fascinating, doesn't it? Well, if you want to know how that works, and don't worry, there's nothing spooky about it, there's nothing weird. You're not going to experience any kind of supernatural stuff happening. But I understand how the mind works, and I understand how to talk to people to make them make changes in their lives without always knowing that they're doing it. So if you want to get over this fear of losing control when driving a car, then just get in touch with me. You can have a free call. Just think what's coming over this bridge. I think I came here in another video, didn't I? I think I did one about the fear of not knowing where you are. I came the other way. It's quite a steep bridge actually. So yeah, if you want to get in touch with me and get some help, I work with people all over the world. Doesn't matter where you are. I've worked with people in Australia, America, all over the place. Taiwan, worked with someone in from Taiwan last week. So if you want help, get in touch and let's get it sorted out. So thanks for watching. Check out my other videos for more help overcoming the fear of driving, and As always, I'll see you again soon for more videos.